Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Amy here. Today I'll be doing week number 4 in my bullet journal for March of 2020. The theme again, as usual, is the time, clock, gears, and chains kind of theme. I went with a similar layout as last time, a horizontal type layout. So first I just start with my Crayola Super Tip Markers. I have the 100 pack and these are the colors from there. I just start by coloring in my clock. I drew it out firsthand, coloring in the clock outside there and then the chains. As you can see how I do the chains, I draw like the middle sausage link and then I go back and do the rounder links. I chose to do the design in the bottom left hand corner and the right hand top corner, just kind of framing the page a little bit. I went with a simpler design this week. I had fun drawing all the clocks and gears and chains, but by this time I was a little bit tired of all of it. It tends to happen sometimes at the last week when I do my bullet journal. After that, I take one of my gray colors and color in some of the gears. This layout is far simpler than some of my other ones. I didn't want this one to take a super long time to do. And then once I have those gears colored out, I go back in with a darker gray, again with the Crayola Super Tip Markers. If my videos are too slow, just let me know and I can start speeding them up while I'm doing my voiceover part here. Then after that, I grabbed another color from the Crayola Super Tip Markers and just made some circles here to write the numbers for the days of the week. And then made a special section or box kind of here for my next week and notes kind of section that I like to have. I like to see what's coming up in my next week. And then I just grabbed another color and did the lines to separate each section into days. And then I just kind of outlined the circles so they'd be more pronounced, so I could get more of that blue color in there, since there's not a whole bunch of it. It's kind of an accent color, but one of my favorite colors is blues and turquoises, so if I can get more of that in there, great. And then I put the numbers in with the dark gray instead of a black, still just using the Crayola Super Tips. And then me just lettering the words next week. Just kind of went with a new kind of font, experimented with this one. And then I went in with a Steadtler fine liner in 0.5 and just started outlining all of my little drawings there in the corners, making them stand out and pop a little more. I think my favorite part of drawing this is the chains, definitely. I hope this layout helps inspire you this month's theme as well. Come up with some of your own time and clock ideas. I'd be interested in hearing what kind of ideas you have for layouts if you want to comment below. Also, if you want to see more of my upcoming videos in my bullet journal, remember to like, share, and comment below and subscribe. And click the bell button if you want to be notified of when new videos come out. And since I'm kind of filming this during this whole coronavirus outbreak thing, this is what I've been doing at home. I've been teaching my kids and also doing my bullet journaling. What have you been doing to keep busy during this? I hope everyone's safe. And then now I'm just going in with the same fine liner, the Steadtler 0.5. I did a little bit of a fancier font, just kind of handwriting it basically, the days of the week. No mess ups this time. I remembered Wednesday this week, unlike last week. If you want to check out last week's video where I missed Wednesday, and you can see how I correct that. And then I just go back in and give it kind of that fake cursive hand lettering feel. But I leave it open, I don't color it in. I kind of liked this look. So just making one side of the letters all bigger and fatter. It does take a little longer doing this because I have to be a little more precise instead of just handwriting all my letters. Alright, and here we are. This is kind of the finished product, just erasing all my pencil lines here to make it nice and clean looking. Alright, so this is the final layout, and I'll see you guys next week.